Hi there, this is Clovis from Kinematic Lab. In this video I'm going to show you how to use some UI Toolkit objects with our other plugin called EchOoo. So first of all I will create a numbers numbers object in my scene. So I create it like that and I will animate it. So for now it is static, but I will animate the numbers value. So I will just add a noise float controller on the number controller here. So let's add a noise float. Okay, I will slow it down a little bit and increase the strength. Okay, maybe not. No, that's gonna be fine. I will change maybe the seed to see if I have something better. I would like to see some small numbers as well, so I have to change the seed to see if it can go down a little bit. Okay, this should be fine. So what I will do is, for now, I will just remove the decimals, okay, because it's gonna look better. And the next thing to do is to use our EchOoo object. So what is EchOoo? If you go on our shop, you have a product called EchOoo Pro here. And if you have a look at the video, what it does is that it makes copies of a mesh, okay, and it sort of offsets its time, so it makes copy of an animated mesh at different time offsets. So you can make pretty cool stuff. And some kind of motion graphic stuff like that, which is pretty useful. So I'm going to use this plugin with our UI toolkit. So I will create it in my scene, okay. Okay, so now I have it in my scene. I will just need to pick the numbers here in the source, and I have an exact copy of my numbers with the same animation. Now what is great with EchOoo is that you can make more copies. If you change the count here, let's say 10 copies, and you can offset them in space like that. Okay, so when I play the animation I have the same animation on each copies, but I can change the frame delay with this value. So you can sort of see now a kind of nice animation going on, because each copy is taking this number, okay, this animated number at different times. So depending on the frame delay value you have, you will see sort of see the number sliding like that, which is quite cool. And the second thing is that you can make a copy of this EchOoo. Okay, let's make a copy. And instead of picking the number, I will pick the first EchOoo. So I will remove this number and pick this EchOoo. We'll make some copies, and and move it down like this. So now you see the numbers are sliding, okay, from left to right, right to left, okay. And if now I change the delay here, it's going to slide along these copies. So you can make a kind of matrix effect like that, which is pretty cool. Okay. So now let's try the EchOoo object with another UI Toolkit plugin. So I will remove everything here and create a polygon. So that's in the others category. I click on polygon, and as I showed in the polygon video, you have to pick here some helpers. So I will create just a few point helpers like that. Okay. And I will add them in my list. So I have my polygon now. I will just keep contour and remove the dots for now. And I will add some animations to these helpers. So I will just add a noise position, which is here, okay. And I will refine these animations with this controller here, okay. So I have to double click it and change some values. So I don't want it to move in the axis for now. I will just keep it X and Y. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for each of these helpers. So like that, I will change the seed a little bit. Same here. This one too. Okay, and the last one right here. So it's a bit fast, I guess. I will just slow it down a little bit. And the last one here. Okay, so now it's a lot better. I will just reduce the width of this line, okay. And now I will create my EchOoo object again. So I go in Kinematic Lab, EchOoo, and I press like this. And in the source I will pick my polygon. So I have my EchOoo object, which is the exact copy of this one, okay, with the same animation. And if I make like 10 copies, okay, and change the frame delay, you already can see some really cool animation because of this delay. So the best would be to increase a little bit the noise animation strength on some of these dots. And that's it. You can make really cool motion graphics with that. Okay, it's gonna make some nice animated lines. Okay, you can even use the position offset like that, and it's gonna look really, really cool. So yeah, I guess you understand the concept around this, and you can use EchOoo with I mean pretty much all the UI Toolkit plugins. It's pretty interesting with the numbers, with the polygon. That could be used with the function too, which would create some nice results, and other stuff like the dots. I mean, anything that has geometry, animated geometry. That's it. See you in the next video.